Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So in previous video under Python we had a discussion of that is arithmetic operators. See what are arithmetic operations and how the operators are going to work. We had a discussion. That is whatever mathematical operators we are going to call it as arithmetic operators. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn by using arithmetic operators we are going to write a Python program by using the ChatGPT. We are going to ask ChatGPT. By using ChatGPT today we are going to execute, that is one of the program, that is arithmetic operators by using the Python. Okay, now for this we are going to launch. Say either we can uh, execute by using the Python also. Okay, here by using the ChatGPT I am going to create a, that is arithmetic arithmetic operators program by using the ChatGPT. Okay, now let us launch the Google Chrome. Once we launch Google Chrome, you can see ChatGPT, or else you can type www.chatgpt.com, or else you can also download the application also, www.chatgpt.com. Then you enter. Once we enter, the ChatGPT interface is going to be open. Now simply here I am going to ask ChatGPT write a Python program of arithmetic operators. Okay, here I am going to give the keyword write a Python program Python program to use arithmetic operators. To use arithmetic operators. See, once I give the keyword I have given here, write a Python program to use arithmetic operators. Then simply I click onto the send button. See, once we click onto the send button, so within a fraction of second, the ChatGPT is going to create, or it is going to generate a simple program of arithmetic operators. So here you can see now the program is ready within a fraction of second. Okay, now what are the program contents here? See here the Python program to demonstrate arithmetic operators. See here input from the user, that is a is equal to integer, then b is equal to integer, that is input. Enter the first number. See here we are going to enter one first number, suppose 10, then integer b is equal to integer input, enter second number. Okay, here we are going to enter one 20. Okay, here there are arithmetic operations or arithmetic operators. Okay, what are the arithmetic operators here? See in the output you can see print arithmetic operators. So we are using print option to display out in the output, that is arithmetic operators. Okay, first one, print addition. See addition, a plus b is equal to a plus b. See it means nothing but here a already the integer, suppose if we have given 10 and the value b we have given 20, then the addition it is going to do, that is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Then in the subtraction, see here print subtraction. See subtraction is we are going to do the negative values here. So for example we are going to subtract from the value here a is equal to 10, then minus, we are using subtract here, so 20. So here we are going to get the result as minus 10. Then multiplication 10 into 20, then you will get the result here. The similar way each and every whatever the arithmetic operator we have given, depending on that the output we are going to get. Okay, now ChatGPT has written a simple arithmetic operators Python program. So now what I'm going to do here, Simply I'm going to copy the program. See here there is a option copy code. Here there is a option copy code. Okay, simply click on copy code. Okay, once I click on to the copy code, now the program has been copied into the clipboard. Okay, now directly you just minimize the window, then come back to the Python software. So click on search, then type on a search tab IDLE Python. See here IDLE Python, whatever the software we have installed. See, already I explained about how to install Python in the previous videos. Once you go through, you will come to know how to install. Then ideally Python interface. See, this is the ideal interface. Click on file and click on new. Then the new file of Python is going to be open. Now whatever I have copied from the see here whatever the program I have copied from the ChatGPT, just I am going to paste it onto the Python interface. See, just paste. Okay, now the program has been pasted onto the Python interface. Okay, once the program is pasted, go to file and save the program. See, click on save. As soon as you click on to the save or click on to the save as window is going to be appear. See, on save as window, we are going to give a name for the program, that is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. Okay, once you give the name, just select the location where you want to save. Here I am going to select my desktop. Why? Because it will be very easy to search again. So just I selected on desktop, then I'm going to click on save. Okay, now you can observe on a title bar. See here, this is the title bar. On a title bar, you can see the name of the program, arithmetic operators .py, that is the extension of Python. Okay, once you save the program, now we are going to run the program. See here, on menu bar you can observe, see on some of the menus, that is file, edit, format, run, option, window and help. See, these are the menus. Each and every menus will be having some different content under that. Okay, now what I am going to do here, simply I am going to select the run command under the file menu. See, simply click on run menu. See, under run menu there is a option run module, or else we can also use shortcut key, that is function key F5. See, once I click on to the run module, the program is going to be run. It is going to be execute. As soon it is going to be execute, it is going to ask the first number. See, as I explained in the program, here we are going to enter the first number. Here I am going to enter first number is 10. Then once you give the first number, enter, then it is going to ask for the second number. See, these are the inputs. So as I told in the previous program, here I am going to give the second number as 20. Okay, once I give first number and second number, simply click on enter key. Now it is going to display as the arithmetic operator. Okay, you can observe now. See, first one is, it is going to display arithmetic operations, that is first one addition. See, addition, already we have given the value, the integer a is equal to 10, then the integer b is equal to 20. Okay, here you can observe a, that is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Then subtraction, 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. Then multiplication, 10 into 20 is equal to 200. Then division, 10 divided by 20, that is 0.5. Then floor division, it comes 0. Then modules, remainder 10. Then exponent, that is the power, 10 to the power 20, the value will be this. So in this way, under Python, the arithmetic operators are going to perform. See, these are the arithmetic operators, and also we are going to call it as, these are the mathematical operators of a Python. See, this program, the simple program, we have used ChatGPT to write. Once the ChatGPT write the program, just we have copied the program and under Python interface we have executed this program. See, I hope we have understood how the arithmetic operators are going to work under the Python. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.